Hey guys, it's Amanda here. I'm bringing you to the bedroom for a little bit of nighttime routine information. So, I'm going to talk to you today about this crazy oil called Vetiver. This oil comes from Haiti. We co-impact source it, which means, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that later, but what we do with the farmers is we actually ask them to keep it in the ground a little bit longer than they do for other people that buy their oils. And the reason for that is we're getting a better quality and higher potency oil when the roots are able to stay in the ground longer. So we actually get this oil from the root of the plant. Anything that comes from the root of the plant is definitely grounding for that plant because it helps it keep upright, but it also is grounding for us. So I'm going to tell you a little story. When I first got this oil, I got it because I knew it was made for calming of the brain, focus, attention, ADHD, and all those things. And working with foster children, I kind of figured I had a lot of kids to be able to experiment on, and foster parents were wanting to learn more. So I got this bottle, I cracked it open, and tell me if you guys have done this. You smell it, and you're like, oh, it smells like dirt. Yep, comes from the root of a plant. So it's very, very earthy. Now, I didn't really particularly like the smell of it, but my husband loved it. And he said it felt like instantly just smelling it, it felt him, made him feel a little bit more calm, a little bit more relaxed. So this oil can be used in all three ways. Aromatically, but if you don't like the smell, definitely it blends well with like lavender or sandalwood or serenity. You can blend them together and just rub in your hands. It's not one that I typically put in the diffuser, just because I find it's a little bit too earthy for me. I'll put other things in the diffuser. And then you can also put it on topically. But I'm going to share a little tip with you. So this oil, and when you got it as a little sample bottle as well, but it is very thick. So I can tip it upside down, and it'll take a long while for one thick drop to drop out. And as you can see, it just sits on the hand. Funny that it's the ADHD oil, because it takes some patience to wait for it. So I actually typically put it in a roller bottle for my husband. Patience is not his thing. So put it in the roller bottle. We fill it about 3/4 of the way up with the Vetiver, and then we just put some fractionated coconut oil on. And then it's super easy. So I'm going to give you a tip. So we talk about the toes. You're going to actually take your roller bottle and you're going to rub it on your big toe. And I say get the little crevice there. And then you're going to rub it in. So the big toe in reflexology is known for the brain. If you have that brain chatter, that talk before you go to bed, that mind that doesn't shut down, this is definitely going to help. You can use it throughout the day as well if you felt like your mind was just racing too much. Good tip though, put it in a roller bottle. Definitely easier to come out. You can also take this oil internally. So right now in the study, try it just topically first. If that works great for you, perfect. You don't need to do anything else. If you're finding there's some nights where maybe your brain is just really unsettled, you're super stressed, you're able to take this, and you can either put it in a veggie capsule or you can just put it in some water. It's not going to taste great. And then you can just drink it back before going to bed. I always say to create a nighttime routine with this and be able to do it during settling about 15 to 20 minutes before you actually go to bed. That way you can smell the aroma. And don't forget, as it's on your skin, breathing it in deeply helps to make you feel a little bit more grounded, especially if you add in that serenity in there. I hope that you guys have some fun with the Vetiver. Even though it's a little bit of a stinky oil, it definitely works for grounding. Enjoy and have sweet dreams, guys.